Native File Collect is a simple, robust data collection tool that is designed to help you organize, manage, and filter data fast. With 3 deployment models, whether you're a small firm, large corporation, or simply want to use Native File Collect on a per-case basis, Affirm Discovery makes it easy to find a plan that fits your needs. This demo is designed to be a general overview of the collection software, so if you have more questions or would like a more in-depth demonstration, please contact us through the website at affirmdiscovery.com. Step 1. Accept the user agreement. Start a new collection. Input some basic information about the case name, custodian, and where you'd like the files to go once they've been collected. Include the drives and modules you'd like Native File Collect to scan within. Unlike other mobile collection software tools, Native File Collect allows you to select file types to include or exclude within the collection. This is especially helpful when the legal team doesn't know exactly what they need to collect, or if you have a custodian that has renamed their files. These file type extensions have been grouped logically for your convenience. You can also designate whether you want your default to be include or exclude. Next, you have the ability to do a NIST comparison and remove any system files and remove any duplicates. You also have the ability to drill down to the individual folder level and only collect the specific folders that are necessary for your case. If you have the Outlook module installed, you can also select individual folders without collecting the entire PST or OST. Only the individual folders that have Outlook information will be highlighted. Now Native File Collect is ready to scan the target computer for anything matching the criteria we specified in the first 5 steps. It's also important to note that if the user needs to make any adjustments or changes, they can use the back button at the bottom of the screen. This allows them to make those adjustments without starting a brand new collection. Now the files are ready for review, and you have some flexibility in how you'd like those to be displayed. We can expand all and view a list of all of the files, or we can group them by family. You'll notice on the right there's an inventory of all of the different file extensions. If you know that there's one that's not going to be needed, it's very easy to remove. Jumping over to the Outlook Collection tab, we see a list of all of the email messages collected. Jumping into the inbox, you'll notice that the individual attachments are maintained with the email with some basic metadata on the right. Next, you have the option to filter the collection by size, by date, using before, between, or after, designating the date type, and selecting whether to include or exclude. Also, you can search for a specific file name if you want to make sure it gets included or excluded. Next, the Review module enables a complete document view, allowing the user to sample data for proposed search criteria. These are viewed in native format without opening the native application. The viewer will separate if you'd like to review on another monitor. One of the additional options within the Review pane is the ability to print the document. Native File Collect also offers a full index-based search. You'll see the list of files on the left, and the blue and red icon indicate that the file was indexed successfully. Anything not indexed will be indicated by a red Ghostbuster icon. This could be a PST, a zip file, or a non-searchable PDF. Let's do a search for the term holiday. Anything that matches this search will be indicated by its icon, and the term will be highlighted within the viewer on the right. You can also search for multiple terms. Again, you'll notice in the viewer on the right that both terms are highlighted. From here, we have some options if we need to remove anything from the collection. The last step is to export your collection. You can either choose to number your folders or maintain the original folder structure. You can also do multiple exports. In this demonstration, we will be doing 2. For the first export, we'll maintain the original folder structure. For our second collection export, we're going to utilize the Litigation Support Export module. This allows you to export directly to a review platform. Simply enter some basic information about how you would like it to be formatted, designate where you would like the collection to be saved, and then select Export. Let's take a look at where the collection was saved. Drilling down into Export 2, which was our litigation support export, we see all of the files in numerical order, the database file, as well as all of the extracted text. Back in the application, your 9 steps are complete and you have finished the collection.